our first finalist is McMorris from the Cotswold School. Come on up. So Megan is a keen musician. She plays piano and violin, also loves sailing as well, and enjoys action-adventure films and loves mangoes, which I love the detail of that. Don't have a mango for you, very sorry. Now, let's hear it for Megan.
So, have you ever wondered why your parents get those grey hairs when they get older? Well, I can actually tell you it's probably because of you. And let me help you figure out how you can stop them from aging. But hands up, who's ever done something to stress their parents out? Yeah, well, that's most of you. And the thing is, you've probably shortened their telomeres. So let me tell you a bit about it so you can get on and help them. So your body has 100 trillion cells. That's 100 trillion. You have 2 complete copies of the human DNA required to create a human per one of those cells. This balloon here represents one of those 100 trillion cells. Inside here, you have 6 billion base pairs. Base pairs are best thought of using the image we've all seen of the double helix, or if you like, train tracks that have been twisted around themselves in a spiral. Those base pairs are then split up into 46 different pieces. These pieces are called chromosomes. Chromosomes are inside the balloon. This is one of your chromosomes. Here, these pink legs, this is your chromosome. These are your base pairs. Telomeres are also made up of base pairs, but unlike the rest of our DNA, which are completely unique to you, telomeres are exactly the same for every single human. These come in the order TTAGGG. This stands for thymine, thymine, adenine, guanine, guanine, guanine. These are your DNA bases. Your telomeres sometimes are longer than others. This is because of your lifestyle. If someone who has a longer telomere has it longer, well, that's probably because they exercise daily, eat and drink healthily. But someone with a shorter telomere probably smokes, they might drink, and they don't exercise as much as they should. So, the question is, what is the significance of a longer or a shorter telomere? The answer is, no one really knows, but scientists do believe that cancer is connected to the length of your telomere, and that cancer patients have a shorter telomere to everybody else, and that their cells don't divide as they should, as like everybody else's. But all of this is still an unsure theory, and let me remind you that next time you find something or think about something that might stress your parents out, I wouldn't chance it, because the thing is, you're probably shortening their telomeres, making them get grey hair, and that might be embarrassing for you. Thank you.
Great job. I'm very glad that you didn't pop the chromosomes, because they're a thing of beauty. What a way to start. Thank you. Right, we're going to come 2 questions. Do you want to start, Jamie? You've got one?
Yeah. I mean, first of all, well done, getting up on stage and such enthusiasm, and you clearly know a lot about the subject, which is so impressive. What I was wondering about, you had these amazing props. How did you come up with the idea to kind of visualise a chromosome as a big kind of long balloon? What gave you the inspiration?
Well, I think that most people find it hard to sort of visualise double helixes, because not very many people have seen them before. But I have 2 younger sisters, and they're always playing with things like that. So they were sort of lying around the house, and I was like, oh, that would actually make so much sense, because I know everybody's seen a balloon before. So that's how I came up with them.
Brilliant, thank you.
Nicely done. Sarah, do you want to chip in a question?
Excellent. Well done, Megan. That was a really great presentation. So I had never heard of telomeres before you started talking. I now feel like I know a lot more. How did you get to find out about telomeres? What made you choose that as a topic?
Well, I chose it because I thought that, because we're such an advancing community, we're always finding ways to make things better. And at the moment, that's medicine, but people are getting plastic surgery to make themselves younger. And I thought, why would you even need to do that if you could just use science?
Very good, thank you.
Thank you very much. One last huge round of applause for Megan. Nicely done. All right. Next up is